Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring recipes out of the past and put them back into the kitchen. We found this dish in our copy of Cookery Illustrated and Household Management, which was published in 1936. Because it's been so hot lately where we are, and with summer here now, we thought we'd show you one of the lighter roast dinner recipes. The recipe also says that you should serve the lamb with maitre'd hotel sauce and stewed cucumber. We're going to show you how to make the sauce and the cucumber in separate videos. If you're going to make this full 1930s style dish, just remember you're going to need to prepare your sauce and cucumber before moving on to the lamb. And keep these hot. So to make this dish you will need a few tablespoonfuls of butter, about a handful of fresh chopped parsley, and a neck of lamb. Our neck of lamb was just under 1 pound in weight and had been cut into 4 pieces with all of the fat trimmed. Preparing the lamb is simple. All you'll need to do is to coat it as completely as possible using the butter. Then just transfer it to your roasting tin. You can either put this in a roasting tin by itself, or as we're doing, on top of vegetables or roast potatoes. And these roast potatoes were made using another recipe from the very same book. Pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 356 degrees Fahrenheit, or gas mark 4, for 15 minutes to the pound. Once your meat has cooked through, remove it from the oven and offload the lamb and the potatoes if you have made some of these as well. It's worth mentioning that if you're going to make the accompanying sauce and stewed cucumber to go with the lamb, you're going to need quite a large serving dish for the meat, and you will see why in a moment. Once your lamb's plated up, sprinkle the chopped parsley on top of it. And to follow this recipe through completely, pour the maitre'd hotel sauce around the lamb. And then arrange chunks of stewed cucumber around the plate as a garnish. And that's all there is to it, another quick and easy recipe from the 1930s. The lamb was lovely and tasty, which shows that you don't need that many ingredients to bring out the best of a nice piece of meat. And our 1930s roast potatoes were absolutely glorious, and you can find our video recipe for these on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in seeing us recreate more antique recipes, remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so that you're notified each time we come out with a new video. You can also find plenty more recipes and full instructions for these recipes on our website, which you can find the link for in the description box below.